Hello and welcome. You are listening to a brand new way to master a new language. Welcome to Learn Easy English via AI. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mark. We are so excited to have you here. This isn't just your typical English course. We're using the power of artificial intelligence to bring you the most natural, clear, and helpful conversations possible.
That's right. Our goal is to use AI to show you how English is actually spoken in the modern world. Whether you are a beginner or just want to polish your skills, our AI-guided lessons are designed to be simple and effective.
Each episode, Emma and I will guide you through real-life situations. We'll break down the vocabulary, explain the tricky parts, and help you sound like a pro.
So, put on your headphones, get comfortable, and let's see how easy English can be when you have the right technology on your side.
Let's get started. Today, we are focusing on a very important topic, banking. Managing your money in a new language can feel a bit scary, but we're here to make it easy for you.
That's right. We will use simple, clear phrases that you can use at any bank in the world. Let's go.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a new savings account, please.
I can certainly help with that. Are you already a customer at this bank?
No, I'm new here. What documents do I need to provide?
I'll just need two forms of identification, usually a passport and a utility bill to confirm your address.
I have those right here. Also, is there a minimum balance I need to keep in the account?
For our standard savings account, you just need to keep at least $100 in there to avoid a monthly fee.
Okay, that sounds fair. I'd also like to deposit this check and withdraw $50 in cash.
No problem. Please sign the back of the check for me. Would you like that $50 in 10s or 20s?
20s is fine, thank you. And one last thing, how do I set up online banking?
I'll give you a temporary password. Once you download our app, you can change it and manage your money right from your phone.
Perfect. Thanks for making this so easy.
Hi there. Are you looking for anything in particular or just browsing?
Hi, I'm actually looking for a gift for a friend. She really loves mystery novels. Do you have any recommendations?
Oh, definitely. We have a staff picks section right here. This new thriller by a local author has been a bestseller all month.
That looks interesting. Is it available in paperback? This hardcover version is a bit heavy for her to carry in her bag.
Let me check. Yes, we have the paperback edition right here. It's much lighter and a bit cheaper, too.
Perfect. And do you have a section for nonfiction? I'm looking for a biography of Steve Jobs.
Yes, our biographies are located in the back corner, right next to the history section.
Great. Oh, I also see you have a cafe here. Can I take these books to the cafe to look through them before I buy them?
Of course, we just ask that you be careful with them while you enjoy your coffee.
That's wonderful. I'll take this mystery novel and I'll go check out the biographies now. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your reading.
I found the perfect gift. Mark, we used a few words that describe the physical types of books.
That's right. We mentioned hardcover and paperback.
Hardcover, a book with a stiff, protective cover, usually more expensive. Paperback, a book with a flexible, thick paper cover, lighter and more affordable. I also mentioned staff picks. This is a very common section in modern bookstores where the employees display their favorite books. It's the best place to find a good read.
And don't forget the genres: mystery, thriller, nonfiction, and biography. Knowing these categories helps you find exactly what you want in any bookstore.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the baking aisle. Do you know where I can find flour and sugar?
Yes, those are in aisle 4, right next to the spices.
Perfect, thank you. Oh, and do you have any ripe avocados today? The ones I saw over there were a bit hard.
Let me check the crate underneath. Here you go. These are much softer. They should be perfect for making guacamole today.
That's great. I also need a dozen eggs and a half-gallon of milk.
Those will be in the dairy section at the very back of the store.
Time jump. Emma arrives at the checkout.
Hi there. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
I did, thanks.
Great. Would you like paper or plastic bags?
Actually, I brought my own reusable bags.
That's excellent. Your total comes to $24.50. Would you like your receipt in the bag?
Yes, please. Thanks.
Hi there. Welcome to Star Cinema. What movie would you like to see?
Hi, we'd like 2 tickets for the 7:30 showing of The Space Explorer, please.
Certainly. Would you like to sit in the front, middle, or back?
The middle, please. We'd like to be centered with the screen.
You got it. That will be $25. Your tickets are for Theater 4.
Thank you. Does the movie have any previews or does it start exactly at 7:30?
There are about 15 minutes of trailers and advertisements before the actual movie starts.
Emma moves to the snack bar.
Hi, can I get you any snacks today?
Yes, I'll take a large popcorn and 2 medium sodas.
Would you like extra butter on that popcorn?
Just a little bit, please. And could I get some napkins and some straws?
They're right there at the self-service station. Enjoy the show.
I'm so excited to see this movie. Mark, I asked a question about the showing.
Yes, a showing or a screening is just the specific time the movie starts. You can ask, when is the next showing?
And I also asked about previews or trailers. These are the short clips of other movies that play before the one you paid to see.
Also, pay attention to the word concessions. In a theater, the place where you buy popcorn and drinks is called the concession stand.
To make the conversation longer and more natural, we'll add more follow-up questions and specific details about their evening habits. This helps your listeners hear how friends transition between different subtopics. The scene, catching up over coffee.
So, Emma, I feel like I never see you anymore. What does a typical day look like for you lately?
Oh man, I've been so busy. I usually get up at around 6:30 a.m. I try to squeeze in a quick workout before I start my day.
6:30. Wow, that's early. I'm definitely a night owl. I usually sleep in at least 8 o'clock. Do you find that you're more productive in the morning?
Definitely. If I don't exercise first thing in the morning, I probably won't do it at all. I'm out the door by 7:45 to commute to the city. I usually grab a coffee and listen to a podcast on the train to kill some time.
That sounds like a long trip. What time do you actually get to the office?
I'm usually at my desk by 8:30. Then it's just meetings and emails until noon. I try to take a real lunch break away from my computer for at least 30 minutes. It helps me recharge.
That's a good habit. What time do you usually wrap up for the day?
Generally around 5:30. Then I head home, make a quick dinner, usually something simple like a salad or pasta, and just wind down. I've been trying to stay off my phone in the evenings.
Really? That's impressive. What do you do instead?
I've started reading more. I find that it helps me fall asleep much faster than watching TV. By 10 p.m., I'm tucked in and ready for sleep. What about you? Your schedule is much more flexible, right?
It is, since I work from home. I usually start work at 9 a.m., but I take a long break in the afternoon to walk the dog or run errands. The downside is that I often work later into the evening, sometimes until 7:30 or 8 o'clock.
It sounds like you have a good work-life balance, but do you ever find it hard to stop working when your office is also your living room?
All the time. I always end up staying up too late scrolling on my phone or finishing just one more email. I really need to set a firmer bedtime like you have.